me too. These chairs are lovely. They're so good.
Guys, I got the dye.
Ooh,
Look at it. Look at it.
So you're gonna be dyeing your natural hair?
Yes.
what color? Oh, blonde?
Should I do the whole head?
No.
No.
Why not?
Just mix it in a little bit, man.
Full
mean,
head.
like,
You're gonna look like Mr. Ramen
How
noodle.
fast does your hair grow?
Remember Optimus head's top when you have ramen noodles on?
Whoa. That was subjective. Completely subjective.
Subjective where?
Subjective for you guys.
That's your name. That's why I call you Noodle.
I wish I had some pictures.
Oh, can I try that?
Noodle head.
Does it taste good?
Oh, well.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Okay. I changed my shirt. And we're gonna get, we're gonna start. So it comes with a bottle. Nice. And this. And some, whatever this is. An eyedropper or something.
Okay, wait. Before you color, read this important information. Hair color used to make... Okay.
Whoa.
Go.
Y'all, this is what it
Go.
looks like.
Don't. Immediately after. Come on.
This is what it looks like. About to just...
Oh! Point away from your face while you're taking. You rub your eye with this dang thing, man. What if there was something in it? That's your whole eye. Gone.
I got another one. Yeah, baby.
You're actually annoying.
Alright, so my sister asked me to do this or whatever, so here I am.
Okay.
Basically, we didn't do this right, period. We didn't read the instructions. So as you can tell, I'm holding the bottle and she's just going at it blind.
Okay, but this is the first attempt.
Like, when does this ever work? Clown.
This is the first attempt. It's 12 a.m. and I'm gonna keep this on for a half an hour. So at 12:30, which is just in half an hour, I'm gonna take it off.
Look at that. It's like a time warp.
Are you? Okay, so I think you just wash it out. Okay, I'm just gonna go wash this out now, I guess. We're gonna do this again, except she's gonna do it this time because when I did it, it's anyway. Fine. Round two.
I'm back, babies. Okay, so second try. Obviously, it's done better because A, I'm doing it, and B, her hair's thick, so it's taken to the chemicals much better. It's gonna turn out nice, right?
Yeah.
Sure.
My sister's doing it. She did a good job. I hope it comes out good this time. Wash this hair dye out now. It looks a little more brown this time. I hope my hair doesn't fall out or anything.
I know I'm doing this again. Look at this boo with the food. Look at the camera like,
Just do...
She can't even tell it's done.
No,
you can't even tell.
No. Put on the shirt and I do my hair. I'm not really good at doing my edges, but this is what it looks like. Okay, so that was my video of me dyeing my hair. How do you like it, Bex?
I like it. It looks natural, which is great.
I'll put in a video of what it looks like.
Vroom, mother.
Yeah, that was me dyeing my hair. I hope it made sense. Like the whole process was messy and we probably messed up like a few times, which could have been avoided if we read the instructions.
That's a big thing.